I ain't know the mode wasn't recording. Right now. Shit. There you go. There we go. Alright, we come on down with it. Where's the tab? This probably took me about 30 minutes. Come down. Red, then we're gonna give us a little spray. Get that washer. There's 2 washers on each side. I could have changed the bolt, but the bolts look pretty good. Damn. That's one more. Oh, my leg, good Lord. And you know what? I'm missing one more bolt. Whew, Jesus. Alright, that's it. You let it on now. Man, bro, that is crazy how much money I've been saving lately working on these trucks. Oh man, God is good. All thing I gotta do is do the other side, which is gonna be a pain in the butt. I gotta take that side now. Probably wouldn't be too bad though. But the problem I was having was backing up. I just keep hearing a thump noise, and I'm hoping this what it was, but I think this what it was. That cab bushing looks sharp. That's it, man. We go back up with everything. 5/16 24mm socket. It's your boy Q. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Highway Hustle, man.